Hello, welcome back to the Stay Fitness channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Daniela and I help women get to know their hormones in order to achieve optimal health and body composition. But if you already subscribed and you're back, well, thank you so much for being back. I really appreciate it. So today is not the most summery recipe, but I don't know, I always cook for the channel why I feel like cooking. Like if I have an idea or like a craving, I would just do it for you guys as well. So I was thinking like more ways to use that recipe from Indigo Nili. I've been like exploiting that recipe like to death. I just think it's so amazing. Thank you, Indigo, for coming up with it. So I saw she made like chicken noodle soup and I really fancy some chicken noodle soup, so I was like, might as well film it with her recipe for like the egg life wraps. So I thought, let's see how they come. I have a few notes, tricks that you might want to listen to, so stay tuned. But first of all, let's make the chicken bone broth. So you can make your chicken bone broth any way you want. You can buy store-bought. Like for me, it's just so easy. I just buy a whole chicken, throw it into the Instant Pot for 25 minutes and job done. You can add aromatics. I added onion and garlic, but you can skip if you want to be 100% carnivore. And yeah, I cook it for 25 minutes. For me, that's more than enough. Makes a good broth and it's still like a juicy chicken. And then all you do when it's ready, you just let it cool, pull all the meat out from the bones. I usually keep the bones to make more broth, because those bones I feel like they still have some collagen left. So I then would add all those leftovers with like beef bones, and I cook it for like 4 hours. And I filter the broth, and that's like one job done. For the noodles, I just made double the recipe of Indigo's Nili egg life wraps, which is 6 tablespoons of egg white protein powder, 2 tablespoons of beef gelatin, and half a cup plus 2 tablespoons of water. So I put the whole thing into a pan, and basically the trick here is to undercook it. I cooked it too much. Like really stay undercooked, because then anyway, as soon as they hit the whole broth, they're gonna be cooked anyway. So I wanted to preserve like the softness and like the bit like I don't know how to say, like gelatinousness, like kind of like bounciness. So yeah, I feel like the less you cook it, the more soft they're going to be and less dry. And then I just cut it really, really thin, and I got this kind of like very noodle kind of type shape. And for my broth, I did a few veggies. If you want to be 100% carnivore, up to you. I just fancied, like, I like to see a few vegetables when I eat chicken bone broth. It just looks a bit more inviting. But yeah, up to you. Again, totally up to you. And once the vegetables were cooked, I just added the chicken and the noodles, and I kind of let them get to know each other for like 5-10 minutes, and then you can serve it. if you like, in Italy we always add Parmesan cheese to our chicken soup or like any soups. If you haven't tried it, go for it, because it's like amazing. Like it adds such umami, such comfort. So yeah, really recommend a good grating of Parmesan cheese on anything, to be honest, but in broth particularly. And so yeah, this was it basically. Super simple, just like I mean, in the UK sometimes it's like hot, sometimes it's cold, so it's not really like you eat seasonal, like we eat whatever, because like it could be warm during the day and then it's like super cold at night. So yeah, it's like you could be making soup in the middle of summer because it's cold enough. But yeah, this is it for today. Please go check out the rest of my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Let me know in the comments below if you're gonna make this recipe, what you think about it. I love to hear your opinions, and well, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.